everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are drawing a Madhubani painting step by step. So the first step here is to sketch the outline. Use a pencil to draw a basic outline of the subject. Here I'm drawing a fish. Whatever you want to draw, any nature scenes or animal or deities you can draw. Even usually we make motif like flower, lotus or something, so that depends on you. Today I'm making a fish, and make sure the composition is symmetrical and you fill the spaces as is typically which is a style of a Madhubani painting. So just start with a rough sketch. Now I'm gonna make another fish here on the other side of it. Now comes the second step. The second step is to outline with a black ink or a pen. Usually it is done with a black ink, but we are using a marker here. Use a black pen, marker, nib with Indian ink to outline your sketch, and make sure the lines are bold and clean, as outlines are very crucial in the Madhubani art. It just make the whole composition of the art stand out. Now I'm going to fill in the fish with a very simple designs here and little patterns which you can draw easily. You're just using some petal design and some zigzag patterns here. Very easy to do, but when you finish doing all this, it will look super nice. So just fill in all the details and take your time and just try to fill the whole fish with little small motif designs and little patterns. Now the last step to make the Madhubani painting is using colors. You have to fill with the natural or any bright color. So I'm using this blue Persian blue here, and you have to use very vibrant colors like red, yellow, green, blue. Traditionally the colors are made from natural sources, but you know, we are just doing it on a paper, so you can use any acrylic color, even watercolors as well, whatever you have at home. And make sure before that to fill in the shapes with solid colors. If you are painting inside the fish also, you have to use the solid colors and the patterns, dot lines and checkers inside, which we already did. And avoid shading. The Madhubani relies on flat uniform colors. You don't use any shadings here, always the solid colors, because that's how it is done, and it just makes the whole painting stand out. You can see with the color addition in the background, the simple painting of these fish is also coming alive, and it's just looking so nice now. So this is how we do a step by step this is the how we do the Madhubani painting. This is the easiest method I just told you to do. You can now step up your game and just increase more patterns, and so more design. You can add more motifs in the painting. I have already made little intricate ones also. You can go and check out. I'll put a link over here for you to check out the other designs as well. This was the easiest Madhubani style painting I made for you guys. Just start with this and just move on to the hard little hard level of the Madhubani paintings. Okay, so till then I'll come up next week with a new tutorial for you all. Till then, bye bye, take care, and do share in your comments how did you like the painting, and if you have any suggestions for me, please drop the comment and let me know. Okay, bye bye, see you later.